At the end of the day, we have finished. But what I want to say, or what I want to bring it out, is that this issue of Ensign and Lower Axim have been on the drawing board for so long a time. It has been resolved or settled, but Awulae Attribrukusu is trying to revisit the issue. We, the people of Lower Axim, are peace-loving people. You are entreating the government. You just want the government and others to know what Awulae Attribrukusu has started, if care is not taken. Had it not been my effort to come down to tame the people of Lower Axim, I don't think you would have been sitting here today even making the press statements. A lot he has said, and people are really angry. This time around, it is not like the olden days, whereby you can just speak, talk, and just go like that. Now, you need to prove with documents. This issue, I have proved with documents during Jerry John Lawrence regime. You were assembled at the Regional Coordinating Council. At that time, J.R. Amrama was then the Regional Commissioner. It was resolved and settled that he should celebrate his kuntum at Ensign, and I also should celebrate mine within my jurisdiction. The past 38 years, we have been living in peace and harmony. Just about 3 years, because of one of my sub-chiefs, Nana Owuza, Octopi Health. This issue has been trashed out long before now. He's still insisting. But please, what is yours is yours. So I don't think anybody will sit down there and let someone else use their left hand to pick something that belongs to him. It is an adage already saying that the idea and the school of Awuza, Octopi Health, have severally served the school of Lower Axim. There is a lot of court judgments. Some have been said here. To the Regional Coordinating Council, I am mentioning your name because in his speech, he mentioned your name, that he wants peace. If actually he wants peace, then he wants genuine peace, not like the one like Cardon. The top is dry, but the underneath is very wet. He's an elderly man. He's a grown-up man. We are please begging the government, the state, to tell him what he's supposed to do. We are peaceful and loving people of Lower Axim. He cannot stop us. He cannot take away from us what belongs to us. He cannot. And I keep on saying, he cannot. Let us ask him. Since when did he come to Axim to celebrate the Kuntum Festival? He was doing that, but since 1988 that I assumed this seat as the paramount of Lower Axim, he has never been here. And we have the RESEC white paper on it preventing him. He was told to go to court. And if he goes to any court of competent jurisdiction and it's pronounced that it has 6 divisional chiefs in Axim and therefore he owns the land, then the court or government will abide to what he says. Fortunate and unfortunate on his side, because he knew he has no good case. He sat at his palace for 32 years before going to court. The laws of the states doesn't belong to anybody. And you don't keep the laws of the state in our pockets. You go by the laws of the state. So, the people of Axim are ever ready to enjoy peace. But the people of Lower Axim and Axim as a whole are ever ready to enjoy peace. There have been a lot of litigation. Why can't you resolve it once and for all? In law, they say something like estopy. We are not to even litigate again because all these things have gone to the finality. So therefore, there should be peace in Asin. I am urging the authorities to advise him, because we will not sit down. Gone are these days, we're not going to sit down and allow him to rule over us or to pour out with what is not true. We thank the press. We thank everybody for hearing. We thank those who have heard us. Amen.